So guys, we have a little small issue with the Type R. The undercarriage got damaged. Probably a couple months now. So I had bought back a new one. This plate here. I bought back a new one just to replace it, but I was waiting until I did the oil change on it. So now I'm gonna do the oil change and then replace it. Let's get the car up in the air. So guys, as you can see, this is the damaged one. See right here. This is the replacement. So let me show you guys how underneath the Type R looks. A lot of plastic, and so we have the engine here with the filter right here. The oil filter is right here, and the transmission is over there. So I mean, apart from a lot of plastic, it's basically straightforward. Nothing, you know, nothing beyond the ordinary. So let's go ahead now and drain the oil and then put up the new piece. So this is what we're using, guys. Castrol Edge 020. Genuine Honda filter. Just kind of put a little lubrication around it, and then just a little bit of oil around the seal, and then you can just run it up with your hand. And guys, I always just hand tighten my filter. You don't need to go all crazy with it. Yeah, just hand tighten. There you have it. So there you go, guys. Our filter is up. The bone drain plug is all tightened. As I said, the Type R is straightforward, just like any other oil change, you know, just regular. So let's get one of those strainers and chew it out now. And always remember, guys, kind of give this some air so you release this, and also the dipstick. Let's strainer here. Normally do 4 quarts first, and then start the car, and then put, you know, double check, make sure everything is okay, and then I put the other half in there. so hot today, guys. It's really hot today. So yeah, there you go. Oil is changed. The guard is back up. So I guess I'll be driving this car a little bit more because I haven't been driving it. So maybe next week I'll start driving it a lot more. So guys, let's do an oil reset on the Type R. And this works for every Honda. So it's not just for the Type R. It's the same procedure for every Honda that you have over, I think it's over 2015. Yeah, this one's a 2019. So yeah, it's basically the same. Honda Accord, Honda Civic, yeah, every Honda. So let's go. So first you go ignition. You go ignition. Make sure this is up. Turn that off. So we go to home. Go to the home page. Watch me. We're gonna go to settings. We click settings, and that comes up. We go to vehicle. We click vehicle, and then we're gonna scroll down and scroll down until you see maintenance. Then you click on maintenance. There you see maintenance. Then you select reset items. Click on that, and then you click on oil and filter, and then you press reset, and there you have it. It says maintenance information has been reset. So it was back to 100%, guys. And all you have to do now to double check, you go back over to the steering, and then this little button right here, it's the information button. You press it, and you see the oil. You see that comes up 100%. So you can go back to. So basically, you go back to wherever you want to go back to. But if you want to find that out, you just go to that spanner. Let me show you that spanner again. So this is the spanner. When you reach on the spanner, you press enter, and it shows you. So that's it, guys. That's basically it. So you're all set, ready to go for the road now. So you can set it on anything you want to set it on. So yeah. So, and as I say, this works for every Honda. Every Honda from 2015 up, as far as I can remember. Yes. So Honda Accord, Honda Civic, all of the Hondas. All right. So I hope this helps, and you can service your car yourself. Save some money, and do some stuff yourself. All right, guys. So until the next project.